Yeah. Este tienes perro, güey. Chavis.
Ya vas a medias, ¿no? It's already recording. It's already recording. It's just roll it like that.
Yeah.
It's gonna be on the video.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a minute. Where you been at, Muriho? Where you been at, Muriho?
Mira.
But yeah, guys, as you guys saw in the title of the video, bought a new car, which was his car, but now it's my car. And we haven't been doing videos because we got into a little fender bender, but I think I'll bust out.
Ya nomás aquí.
Nothing crazy,
Nomás aquí.
no scratch.
Nomás aquí un poquito otra vez. Aquí ocupa ya nomás poquito bondo. Y se hace.
Oh, yeah. So actually we got in a car accident. Nothing major, you know. The car's fixable, pretty good. So that's all that matters. But
Your baby.
I don't know the word of
Your
motivation.
bitch.
Motivation. So the car's been sitting here for the last
Ya un
let's say
año,
half a
güey.
year.
Ya para el año.
So Muriho didn't want to fix it, so he sold it to me. So it's my problem now. So it's actually a good video. We might start it today. It should start. If you watch this video that I made, we fixed the bigger problem. So that's all done. Now I just gotta bleed the coolant, and the car should be ready to go. So I'm actually just in a new battery, which I'm gonna put on right now. I already got it. So that's all it needs now.
Fingers crossed.
And hopefully, that's it. It's gonna be a lot of stuff. It's got no catch, no sauce.
Nada.
So fuck it. It's still kind of early, so I'm gonna put a battery on and turn it on and let that shit breathe. So right here we have the new battery, Super Start. Shout out my boy Danny from O'Reilly's.
Está bien cabrón para meterla, güey.
Espera.
Levántale la de atrás y la así, levántale la left. Ajá. Pero, ajá. Órale, y.
Just press the bolts. Don't lose them. Muriho lost like all kinds.
Ese
Funny
güey
story,
le
actually.
sobraron.
You guys watched the other video? I couldn't find the bolts for the straight bar, and then right now I was looking for a bolt, and I checked that, and they were actually right there. So,
Thanks. Gracias al que los dejó ahí, hijo.
You excited, Muriho?
A tronar esa madre, güey. Machine.
¿Qué es eso? No?
Tens. Of course they're a 10. ¿A qué trago, güey? ¿Qué traes?
All right. Well, I'll show you guys when it's almost ready.
It's after.
Primero, guys. Primero.
Ya fui, vine, guys.
Patience is key. Ponte las llaves, güey.
Voy contando.
Entrando, no hay nada, bro.
Yeah. Should be alright. Mira.
Science.
YouTube certified.
¿Qué lo hago si prenda?
Yeah. Al llavazo o a la first. I'm just gonna stand a little bit back.
how we're looking right now. So yesterday, this thing sounds loud as fuck in person, but on the phone it doesn't really sound that loud. So yesterday the car overheated because I just turned it on and it just left it bleeding the whole time. But right now I turned it on and off a couple times because it makes the cranky makes the water, you know. But right now it's looking good, so hopefully it doesn't go up right now and we should be good. I still have a lot of air coming out though. I mean, not anymore. So hopefully we're good. And also one thing that it helps out if you turn on your heater, but yesterday I turned on the heater and I was still getting cold air, so I think that was my issue. So it's looking good right now, so hopefully it's done. But yeah, look at the miles on this thing. Stick shift, of course. I got excited and forgot to record this part, but if you guys watched the video where we installed the test pipes on the Y350Z, we actually stripped this. This was all stripped and the threads were all stripped, so I bought the tap and die set from our freight and then made it work. I spent $150, but I saved myself a lot because this shit's bang. Even the sensors, it's kind of crazy, but so I just tapped that part and then the sensor as well. That's the size. If it helps anyone in the future, just know. And then same thing with that one. 18 by 1.5. So yeah, I mean, I'm always in need of this, so it's a good purchase. Yeah, that's on. That's how you get it off. Shove that little stick in there. I lied. I also need to replace these 3 studs. That Marijo broke. It's funny because the lug nut broke actually. We had to drill them out. I need to replace those. And find more for that. Alright, so continuing the video, I'm gonna go ahead and jack up the car, put it in jack stands, take care of that. But first I'm gonna try to install the exhaust, see what I need, because I'm gonna put the stock one back on, which is right here, and then I have the cats over there, and then alright, so I'm actually gonna run down to the hardware store again, just because the original cats still have these type of studs. It looks like they're fine threaded. I looked around and I could only find 2 of them, and I tried banging on it. They're pretty hard, so fuck it, might as well just go grab those because they all take these. So why not? So it's like 8:30 p.m. right now, but I just finished putting this shit on. It's Monday after work, and fuck it, I kind of want to get it off and drive it. Fuck it, why not? And this shit's all fucked up. My wheels are straight right now. Well, the car lives now. Sheesh. But yeah, I'm just thinking about that. I might need to drive it if it's the O2 sensors. But then, if you guys saw the first video when I started working on it, the intakes, not sure what the part is called, but that shit ripped. So that might be an issue too. So I'm actually gonna, for the next video, I'm gonna throw the door on, and then with the door it doesn't look too bad, and I should be able to drive it around, see if that clears up. Or I mean, I could bring the scanner too. But yeah, hope you guys like this video, and like, comment, and subscribe. We're bringing this car back to life. I already got a door for it, so in the next video I'll probably do that and then figure out what the fuck is going on. That shit's on because the wheels have no sensors. But yeah, it's been running for a minute. Temperature looks good. Everything, I don't know. I don't even know if that shit works. That shit never worked on my red car. But we got an HR now, y'all. Fuck it. I'm excited for this fucking car. What do you want it back or what? Let me know. Tap in.